Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will to show you the way how you can add the website, this specific website, the selected or chosen website into the bookmark section so you can find them in any time easily. So here the browser that I will use is just Google Chrome, so you just need to open the Google Chrome application. The next is just you need to open the website. So I selected the random website right here. I already got the website and I have no time to read the website now, so I will let to save this article and just read it later anytime when I have spend time. So here if you want to save this, you just need to take a look on this button feature. That could be a three small dots on the right side. Just tap it. And the next thing you need to do is just go take a look on this feature by scrolling up. And that could be add to bookmarks or add to reading list. So add to bookmarks means that you will save the website into the favorites. So the tab or section that you will need to visit later on is bookmarks. But if this about you read the article for later or save the article for later, you can also add your website into the reading list. It's just up to you. So since this tutorial is about adding to the bookmarks, you just need to tap into the bookmarks here, and it's already added into the bookmarks. How to find it? Tap into the plus button, and if you or forget about the name of the website, just go visit the bookmarks and then type into the mobile bookmarks, and that website could be saved into here, and then you just need to find one of them. And that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.